Malam adik-adik semua. Iya, ketemu lagi sama Tante Eli. Loh, Tante Eli, emangnya hari Minggu? Ini kan hari Kamis. Iya, Tante Eli datang hari Kamis nih. Karena hari Kamis ini, kita merayakan hari kenaikan Tuhan Yesus ya adik-adik ya. Iya, jadi kita merayakan hari kenaikan Tuhan Yesus. Kita tahu semua bahwa Tuhan Yesus itu tinggalnya di sorga ya, tempat tinggalnya di sorga. Lalu Tuhan Yesus turun ke dunia ini, terus Tuhan Yesus membuat dirinya seperti manusia, walaupun dia tetap Allah ya adik-adik ya. Lalu setelah besar, Tuhan Yesus lahir dari Ibu Maria. Bapaknya di dunia ini adalah Bapak Yusuf. Setelah Tuhan Yesus besar, Tuhan Yesus mulai untuk pelayanannya, menceritakan kabar kesukaan, kabar baik. Lalu dia menyembuhkan orang sakit, menyembuhkan orang yang kerasukan ya. Lalu juga membangkitkan orang mati ya. Nah, setelah itu adik-adik, Tuhan Yesus yang tidak pernah berbuat salah, Tuhan Yesus diadili ya, ditangkap, lalu bahkan disalib ya. Disalib, setelah itu Tuhan Yesus meninggal di kayu salib ya. Nah, ketika Tuhan Yesus meninggal, kita merayakannya sebagai hari Jumat Agung ya adik-adik ya. Nah, setelah Jumat Agung, 3 hari kemudian Tuhan Yesus bangkit dari kematiannya. Dia hidup kembali, kita merayakannya sebagai hari raya Paskah. Ya. Lalu Tuhan Yesus setelah Paskah, Tuhan Yesus masih di dunia ini selama 40 hari lagi. Tuhan Yesus menemui murid-muridnya ya. Tuhan Yesus selama 40 hari ini masih di dalam dunia ini. Nah, pada hari yang ke-40, Tuhan Yesus naik ke surga. Hari inilah kita merayakan hari Tuhan Yesus naik ke surga. Kita sudah merayakan hari Jumat Agung kemarin, lalu Paskah. Nah, kita sekarang hari kenaikan Tuhan Yesus ke surga. Nah, adik-adik, hari ini kita bertemu pada pagi hari ini, kita mau ibadah kenaikan Tuhan Yesus ya adik-adik ya. Nanti kita akan memuji Tuhan bersama, lalu kita akan mendengarkan firman Tuhan ya. Firman Tuhannya dari Kak Yeni ya. Lalu setelah ibadah Jumat Agung, setelah ibadah hari kenaikan Tuhan Yesus ini, kita juga akan melihat filmnya adik-adik ya. Filmnya judulnya He Know My Name ya. Jadi dia itu Tuhan Yesus tahu loh nama kita ya. Kita akan nonton ya film ini. Nah adik-adik, kita akan buka ibadah kita pada pagi hari ini dengan doa ya. Mari kita berdoa. Tuhan Yesus yang baik, Tuhan Yesus yang penuh kasih, kami datang ke hadirat-Mu ya Bapa, di hari di mana kami memperingati hari kenaikan-Mu ke sorga. Terima kasih Tuhan, karena Engkau sudah menjadikan kami anak-anak-Mu, karena kami begitu istimewa di mata-Mu ya Bapa. Kami sungguh bersyukur Tuhan memiliki Allah seperti Engkau, Allah yang begitu mengasihi kami, Allah yang rela untuk kami, Allah yang selalu ada untuk kami, dan Allah yang akan membawa kami bersama-Mu nanti ke sorga. Terima kasih Tuhan Yesus, pada pagi hari ini Tuhan, kami juga mau sebagai ucapan syukur kami mau memuji Engkau, kami juga mau mendengarkan firman Tuhan. Kami anak-anak-Mu ini Tuhan selalu rindu untuk membesarkan nama-Mu, memuliakan nama-Mu Tuhan dengan firman-Mu Tuhan. Bapa di surga, kiranya Engkau mau memberikan hikmat kepada kami agar kami boleh mengerti kehendak-Mu melalui firman-Mu yang akan kami dengar melalui Kak Yeni. Terima kasih Tuhan Yesus. Inilah kami anak-anak-Mu Tuhan. Kami sudah siap untuk ibadah hari kenaikan-Mu. Dalam nama Tuhan Yesus kami sudah berdoa dan bersyukur. Haleluya. Amin.
hebat, ajaib perkasa perbuatanmu di hidupku. Tak usah ku takut, sebab Kau sertaku. Tak usah ku bimbang, Kau di dalamku. Tak usah ku cemas, Kau penghiburku. Saat ku lemah, Kau kuatku. Ku nyanyi haleluya, ku nyanyi haleluya. Sungguh Kau hebat, ajaib perkasa perbuatanmu. Oh, ku nyanyi haleluya, ku nyanyi haleluya. Sungguh Kau hebat,
Halo adik-adik, juga papa mama, salam damai sejahtera bagi kita semuanya. Bertemu lagi dengan Kak Yeni dan hari ini kita akan belajar firman Tuhan dari Kisah Para Rasul 1. Alkitabnya boleh dibuka dan disimak bersama dengan papa mama. Kisah Para Rasul 1, kita akan membaca bersama-sama ayat 6 sampai dengan ayatnya yang ke-11. Kita baca ya, demikian firman Tuhan. Maka bertanyalah mereka yang berkumpul di situ, Tuhan, maukah engkau pada masa ini memulihkan kerajaan bagi Israel? Jawabnya, engkau tidak perlu mengetahui masa dan waktu yang ditetapkan Bapa sendiri menurut kuasanya. Tetapi kamu akan menerima kuasa kalau Roh Kudus turun ke atas kamu, dan kamu akan menjadi saksiku di Yerusalem dan di seluruh Yudea dan Samaria dan sampai ke ujung bumi. Sesudah ia mengatakan demikian, terangkatlah ia disaksikan oleh mereka dan awan menutupnya dari pandangan mereka. Ketika mereka sedang menatap ke langit waktu ia naik itu, tiba-tiba berdirilah 2 orang yang berpakaian putih dekat mereka dan berkata kepada mereka, "Hai orang-orang Galilea, mengapakah kamu berdiri melihat ke langit? Yesus ini yang terangkat ke surga meninggalkan kamu akan kembali dengan cara yang sama seperti kamu melihat dia naik ke surga." Demikianlah firman Tuhan yang sudah kita baca bersama-sama. Hari ini kita memperingati hari kenaikan Tuhan Yesus ke surga. Adik-adik serta papa mama yang dikasihi oleh Tuhan. Setelah 40 hari, maka di hari yang ke-40 itu Tuhan Yesus mengingatkan kepada Petrus, Andreas, dan teman-temannya agar mereka setia melakukan firman Tuhan dan tugas yang sangat penting yang diberikan oleh Tuhan Yesus kepada para murid dijelaskan juga di dalam Injil Matius pasal 28 ayat 19. Di sana dijelaskan agar para murid pergi memberitakan kabar keselamatan, berita bahwa Tuhan Yesus adalah juru selamat kepada banyak orang. Murid-murid mendengarkan, memperhatikan dengan sungguh-sungguh pesan yang sangat penting yang disampaikan oleh Tuhan Yesus. Akhirnya adik-adik dan papa mama, Tuhan Yesus memberkati para murid, lalu Tuhan Yesus naik ke surga. Para murid menyaksikan kenaikan Tuhan Yesus ke surga pada hari itu sampai akhirnya awan menutupi Tuhan Yesus. Mereka tidak bisa lagi melihat. Kemudian ada 2 orang dengan pakaian yang sangat putih dan ternyata mereka ini adalah betul sekali malaikat yang diutus oleh Tuhan. Mereka mengatakan di dalam Kisah Para Rasul pasal 1 tadi yang kita baca, "Hai orang-orang Galilea, mengapa engkau melihat ke atas? Yesus yang naik ke surga itu akan datang kembali dengan cara yang sama." Untuk apa adik-adik Tuhan datang kembali? Tentu saja untuk menjemput kita semua yang percaya kepada Tuhan Yesus. Lalu kenapa Tuhan Yesus harus kembali ke surga? Seperti kita ketahui bersama, Tuhan Yesus beberapa kali menjelaskan bahwa Dia berasal dari surga dan Jika tugasnya sudah selesai, maka Tuhan Yesus akan kembali lagi ke surga, ke rumahnya. Ini juga dijelaskan di dalam Injil Yohanes pasal 16. Surga adalah tempat tinggal Allah. Jadi kita bisa jelas mendapatkan informasi bahwa Tuhan Yesus adalah Allah sendiri. Itu sebabnya ketika Dia harus menghapus dosa kita semua, Dia turun dari surga, meninggalkan surga. Setelah tugasnya selesai, maka Tuhan Yesus kembali lagi pulang ke rumahnya, ke surga. Di surga, Tuhan Yesus bersama dengan para makhluk surgawi termasuk juga malaikat. Mereka memuji dan menyembah Tuhan. Di surga Tuhan juga menyiapkan tempat yang sangat indah untuk kita semuanya. Tetapi yang perlu kita ingat adalah kita nanti benar akan tinggal di surga bersama dengan Tuhan. Namun sekarang kita masih ada di dunia ini. Itu sebabnya para murid diajar oleh Tuhan agar mereka memberitakan kabar keselamatan atau menyampaikan kepada banyak orang bahwa Tuhan Yesus adalah juru selamat, sehingga semakin banyak orang yang percaya, termasuk adik-adik, papa mama, juga Kak Yeni dan banyak teman-teman kita di tempat yang lainnya. Jadi selama kita masih ada di dunia, kita pun sudah bisa mengalami atau menerima surga itu, yaitu bahwa kita tahu Tuhan selalu ada di hati kita, menemani kita, dan Tuhan memberikan jaminan atau janji kita nanti pasti akan bersama-sama dengan Tuhan Yesus. Namun yang kita lakukan selama ada di dunia ini adalah melakukan perbuatan benar sesuai dengan firman Tuhan. Contohnya apa adik-adik? Ya, senang membantu papa mama di rumah, rajin belajar, apalagi senang baca Alkitab, termasuk rajin beribadah ke gereja, ke rumah Tuhan. Jadi di rumah Tuhan atau di rumah kita tetap bisa memuliakan Tuhan. Waktu sekolah kita juga menjadi anak yang rajin. Papa mama juga bekerja dengan baik. Bahkan kalau ada orang-orang, teman-teman kita yang sedang dalam kesulitan, kita juga menolong, membantu, memberikan makanan mungkin, berbagi mainan, mendoakan, dan lain sebagainya. Sampai suatu saat nanti Alkitab mengatakan masing-masing kita memang akan meninggal dunia, tapi juga Tuhan Yesus akan kembali menjemput kita. Sehingga setiap kita yang percaya kepada Tuhan Yesus selama ada di dunia, kita akan bertemu dengan Tuhan secara langsung. Kita bisa melihat wajah Tuhan, kita bisa bermain dengan Tuhan, kita akan senang selama-lamanya di surga. Itulah pelajaran yang kita pelajari hari ini dalam rangka hari kenaikan Tuhan Yesus. Mari kita mengingat pesan Tuhan Yesus sebelum Ia terangkat ke surga, agar kita melakukan perintah Tuhan yang sudah diajarkan kepada kita melalui para rasul, dan saat ini kita bisa membaca dan mempelajarinya dari Alkitab. Selamat hari kenaikan Tuhan Yesus. Tuhan Yesus memberkati adik-adik, papa, mama, dan kita semua.
Ya, adik-adik semuanya, saat ini kita akan tutup ibadah kita dalam doa. Mari kita berdoa. Tuhan Yesus yang baik, terima kasih kami mengucap syukur buat pagi hari ini karena kasih dan kemurahan Tuhan. Hari ini kami boleh memuji, menyembah Tuhan, terlebih sudah kami mendengarkan kebenaran firman Tuhan. Terima kasih buat kasih setia dan anugerah-Mu dalam hidup kami. Dan di pagi hari ini juga Tuhan kami mengucap syukur karena hari yang luar biasa, hari yang sangat istimewa di mana kami boleh memperingati akan hari kenaikan-Mu Tuhan. Terima kasih buat kasih-Mu yang sudah menunjukkan bahwa Engkau mati dan menang atas maut, bangkit dan saat ini naik ke surga. Terima kasih Tuhan Yesus buat anugerah-Mu dalam hidup kami. Biarlah Tuhan lewat peristiwa ini Tuhan kami semakin yakin bahwa Tuhanlah juru selamat dalam hidup kami. Terima kasih buat firman Tuhan yang sudah kami dengarkan hari ini ya Tuhan. Biarlah kiranya firman Tuhan hari ini juga menguatkan kami, mengingatkan kami agar kami semakin teguh di dalam Engkau. Terima kasih Tuhan Yesus buat kesempatan yang indah ini. Kami juga mau berdoa buat adik-adik sekolah minggu dimanapun mereka berada. Kiranya Tuhan Yesus berkati mereka satu persatu. Apabila saat ini mereka kurang sehat, mari Tuhan Yesus jamah dan pulihkan mereka. Apabila mereka saat ini dalam pergumulan, Tuhan Yesus tolong agar mereka boleh melewati setiap persoalan dalam hidup dan keluarga mereka ya Bapa. Terima kasih Tuhan Yesus buat papa mama yang selalu mendukung, menemani adik-adik sekolah minggu untuk tetap mengikuti ibadah online. Kiranya Tuhan memberkati, Tuhan berikan semangat senantiasa ya Bapa, agar mereka papa mama boleh terus memberi semangat kepada adik-adik untuk tetap mencari Tuhan walaupun masih lewat ibadah online ya Bapak. Terima kasih Tuhan Yesus. Saat ini juga Tuhan kami mau berdoa ya Bapak buat kakak-kakak sekolah minggu yang sudah mengambil bagian dalam pelayanan sekolah minggu ibadah perayaan hari kenaikan Isa Al-Masih pada hari ini. Kiranya Tuhan yang senantiasa memberkati di dalam pelayanan mereka Tuhan, agar semakin hari mereka semakin bersemangat untuk melayani Tuhan. Terima kasih Tuhan Yesus, terima kasih Roh Kudus. Pada saat ini kami juga mau berdoa buat anak-anak sekolah minggu dimanapun mereka berada, baik yang ada di Indonesia maupun di seluruh dunia Tuhan. Tuhan Yesus yang memberkati mereka, biarlah mereka terus bersemangat untuk mencari Tuhan, karena bukti kasih Tuhan yang begitu besar dalam kehidupan kami. Hari ini kami boleh merayakannya, kami boleh merayakan kenaikan Tuhan Yesus ke surga. Biarlah Bapa di surga, anak-anak sekolah minggu boleh semakin cinta akan Tuhan Yesus. Terima kasih ya Bapa di surga, terima kasih. Kami terus berdoa buat bangsa dan negara kami serahkan ke dalam tangan Tuhan. Tuhan Yesus memberkati bangsa ini agar menjadi bangsa yang takut akan Tuhan. Terima kasih Tuhan Yesus. Kami juga berdoa buat gereja Sidang Jemaat Allah di Depok khususnya. Tuhan berkati Bu Mary sebagai gembala sidang kami, dan berkati pelayan-pelayan yang ada di gereja Tuhan. Biarlah kiranya roh sukacita, damai sejahtera dan semangat yang daripada Tuhan terus Engkau karuniakan dalam kehidupan mereka. Terima kasih Tuhan Yesus. Saat ini juga kami mengucap syukur dan kami akan mau berdoa bersama seperti Tuhan Yesus mengajarkan kami berdoa. Bapa kami yang di surga, dikuduskanlah nama-Mu, datanglah kerajaan-Mu, jadilah kehendak-Mu di bumi seperti di surga. Berikanlah kami pada hari ini makanan kami yang secukupnya, dan ampunilah kami akan kesalahan kami seperti kami juga mengampuni orang yang bersalah kepada kami, dan janganlah membawa kami ke dalam pencobaan, tetapi lepaskan kami daripada yang jahat, karena Engkaulah yang punya kerajaan dan kuasa dan kemuliaan sampai selama-lamanya. Amin.
for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are they which do hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they shall be filled.
Who is that man, Mother?
Blessed are the meek,
They call him Jesus of Nazareth.
for they shall inherit
Some
the
say
earth.
he is a great teacher. Others say he is the Messiah.
Blessed are the merciful,
The Messiah? What do you think?
for they shall obtain mercy.
I think we need to go.
Blessed are the
Grandfather
pure in
Reuben will
heart,
be waiting for his supper.
for they shall see God. Come. Peace be unto you.
And unto you.
Tell me your name.
Rebecca.
Rebecca. That's a beautiful name.
Rebecca!
But I want to stay here. With him. I only wanted to see him up close. I wanted to see if he was the Messiah.
And now we're late.
He smiled at me, and he knows my name.
Would he smile if he knew what a disobedient daughter I had?
I'm sorry.
Sorry, too. Sorry that I have such a child to deal with.
What do you think, Grandfather? Do you believe he is the Messiah?
Well,
How would your grandfather know? Has he seen him?
No. But Grandfather is a wise man. He knows without seeing.
Go and fetch some water from the well. Your grandfather is hungry.
the stomach is empty, but the heart is full.
You saw him, Mother. What do you think?
I'm too busy to think. Please, go fetch some water.
Better do as she says. She sounds serious.
I don't know what to do, Father. Why won't she listen?
She reminds me of someone.
Who?
A little girl I once knew. A little girl who could sing like an angel.
What have I to sing about?
Rebecca's still a child. Be patient.
You're right. Rebecca is a child, and I am her mother. That is why I worry. I've heard rumors about that man they call Jesus of Nazareth. There are those that revile him, those that would do him harm. I'm trying to protect her.
Did you save any bread for me? You have bread at your own house. But I will share.
Thank you.
Isaac. Today I saw the man they call Jesus. Have you heard of him?
Some say he's the Messiah. What do you think?
I haven't made up my mind.
I leave at first light in the morning to go hear him.
Take me with you, please.
You're just a girl, and I'll tell you all about it when I return.
Is it my fault I'm a girl? I want to know too. Please?
Perhaps this is why your mother's always so angry with you.
Isaac!
We'll see if you wake early enough.
Isaac! Isaac, are you home? You left without me.
There.
thought I asked you to put the food away.
Isaac went to listen to Jesus preach today. I wanted to go too, but he wouldn't take me. Do you want to go see him? We could all go together.
And who would do the work while we're gone?
When will he be home, that Isaac? We've been waiting all day. Don't worry, Mother. I tied her off.
Where are you going?
I need to speak with Isaac,
In the morning.
but I want to hear about Jesus.
It will wait.
Grandfather Reuben, please.
It will wait.
Isaac. Isaac.
Here, Rebecca.
What happened? Did you see Jesus? What did he say? Tell me everything.
There was a great multitude of people gathered all around him. Thousands. Hours passed, and everyone was hungry. But no one wanted to leave.
Why?
Because of the great things he taught. They asked if anyone had food. And there was a boy with 5 small loaves of bread and 2 fishes. Jesus blessed the food and broke it into pieces. And he fed everyone.
How?
I don't know. But I saw it, Rebecca. I saw it with my own eyes. He fed us all. Some say he's the savior of the world.
And you? What do you say?
I say they are right.
Claims he is the Son of God. Blasphemy. There are many who believe his teachings and say he is the Messiah. And there are many more who say he is not. I was there when he healed a leper. I saw it.
Are you so easily deceived? Did the prophets not warn us?
Suffer the little children, and forbid them not to come unto me, for of such is the kingdom of heaven.
I pray thee, bless my child.
Such a beautiful child. Come. I want to hold all your hands. Rebecca, come. Peace be unto you.
And you also.
Except ye become as a little child, He shall not enter into the kingdom of heaven.
Rebecca?
Which way? Where to go? I don't know where to go.
Rebecca, where are you?
Please show me the way. Which way is right?
Rebecca.
I see her. Where have you been?
I went to see Jesus,
I have been waiting for hours. What were you thinking?
but I had to see him.
No supper for you tonight.
Mother, I'm sorry. I only wanted to...
I don't want to hear it. Straight to bed.
Rebecca, come here, my child.
Where is Mother? She won't like that I'm up.
Your mother needed some time to herself.
Remember when Mother would sing to me whenever I was sad? Why doesn't she sing anymore?
Your mother has a lot of sadness in her. She misses your father. Don't cry, Rebecca. I saved you a portion of my supper.
Thank you, Grandfather. But I'm not crying because I'm hungry.
Ah, I see. Rebecca, we all do things that we regret. Things that we long to be forgiven for.
Even you?
Yes, even I. One of those things that I regret took place when I was just a young man, many years ago. I used to work for an innkeeper in those days. I would take care of preparing the rooms and making sure that things were in order. One day, a young man came to the inn with his wife, and he said that his name was Joseph, and his wife's name was Mary. They said that they had traveled a long distance and that they were very tired. Mary was with child, and her time was near. And Joseph asked if I had a room where they could stay.
Did you have a room for them?
I could have made a room for them, but I was young and lazy and didn't want to take the time to do so. And that's when I made a terrible mistake. And I told them that there was no room. After they left, I couldn't get Mary's face out of my mind. So I hurried and prepared a room for them and went out to search for them.
Did you find them?
Yes, I found them in a stable. But I was too late. The baby had already been born. Born in a lowly stable because I didn't take the time to help them. was ashamed. Mary saw me hiding in the shadows, and she smiled at me. And she bid me come and see the Savior of the world.
She said that? The Savior of the world?
Yes, she did.
Cry, Grandfather.
Rebecca, this teacher, this man that you went to see today, do you think that he could be that same child?
Isaac says he is.
Oh, if I could but see him, then I would know.
Then we'll go tomorrow. Together.
Oh, I can't go, Rebecca. You know that. I'm old and my legs are tired, and besides, how could I see?
You can lean on me, or I will ask Isaac if we can use his donkey.
Oh, let me think about that.
That means no.
You know me too well.
But you must see him, Grandfather. Or how will you know? You look tired. Why don't you take Grandfather inside? I'll finish up here.
Of course I'm tired. I was up half the night waiting for you to come home.
I said I was sorry a dozen times. What more can I do?
You repent too often and too easily, Rebecca. What more can you do? You can listen and obey. Then you won't need to say sorry. Do you understand?
I understand. But I had to see him.
Why?
Because I have to know.
I've heard enough. Go fetch more water.
Grandfather.
Do as she says.
Don't you want to know if he's the Messiah, Mother?
If you hold a little bird too tightly, you may damage its wings.
I hold her tight because she is all that I have left.
Perhaps we should listen to our little bird. Maybe this man that she speaks of is the Messiah.
Rebecca! Would you go to the market to buy fish for the feast?
Me? You want me to go?
Yes.
Grandfather, did you hear that? Mother is allowing me to go to the market by myself, alone.
There's nothing wrong with my ears, child. Hurry and go.
I am. I mean, I will. And I won't drop the coins, and I'll be home on time, and I
Now
won't
hurry
drop the-
before I change my mind.
Rebecca. It's good to see you.
It's good to see you also.
How's your mother and grandfather?
I told my grandfather all about you. He wanted to come with me today, but he is too old and can't travel. Grandfather.
Back so soon? Your mother will be pleased, and so am I.
Yes, I hurried.
Did something happen?
No, I mean, yes. I met someone, and I brought him to see you.
Sarah,
What is it?
help me to my feet. Your daughter has brought a guest.
Rebecca, the house isn't ready to receive anyone.
He didn't come to see the house.
That child.
Indeed.
This is my mother.
Sarah.
And this is my grandfather.
Peace be unto you, Reuben.
And to you.
Come, sit. You must be tired, thirsty. If we had known you were coming, we would have prepared. Rebecca can be an impulsive child.
Your daughter has wisdom far beyond her years. Perhaps she learned it from her mother.
I did.
We don't have much, but what we do have is yours.
Woman, where's the husband? Will we wait for him?
My husband passed away some time after Rebecca was born.
Come. Sit with us.
Do you think we will ever see Father again?
No, Rebecca. He is dead.
He that believeth in me, though he were dead, yet shall he live.
Grandfather wasn't always blind. He took good care of us until he lost his sight. And now it is our turn to look after him.
Open your eyes, Reuben.
Master. Rebecca, look at you.
What are you so happy about? If only you had been here to see what we saw.
And you didn't even think to invite me.
How could I invite you if you're fishing with your father? Besides, I'm just a girl. Isn't that right?
I see how it is.
Isaac, good morning. Rebecca has been anxiously awaiting your return. My, what a fine-looking young man you've become. Very fine indeed.
You can see? Grandfather! Grandfather, what did the darkness mean?
I don't know.
They killed him.
Who?
They killed the Messiah.
Rebecca?
I don't understand. He was so good and so kind. Why did they have to hurt him? Why?
He came to save the world, Rebecca. Just like he told you. He gave his life willingly. For all of us. For you. For me. And now it is done.
But we'll never see him again.
Numi, Numi, ya Lati. Numi, Numi, ni. Numi, Numi, Lati. Numi, Numi, ni. She hasn't spoken in over a week. I don't know what to do for her.
Perhaps if she has to help someone else, she'll forget her troubles. I have an idea. How are you feeling this morning? I'm not so good myself.
You're not? What's wrong?
I've been longing for a supper of fish. And your mother's busy and can't go to the market. Perhaps Isaac could go. No. He's too busy riding around on his donkey pretending to be something important. I suppose I'll have to do without.
I will go.
You will? You will go? Well, of course. Why didn't I think of that myself?
Tell Mother where I've gone.
Thank you, my child.
Rebecca.
I thought I'd never see you again.
Remember, I am with you always.
She's coming.
Mother! Mother! What is it? I saw him. He lives. The Messiah lives. Does this mean we'll see Father again?
He that believeth in me, though he were dead, yet shall he live.
Yes, Rebecca. We will see